Now a solid cuboid measures length, width and height. Find the volume, that is LWH. Just multiply 1200 centimeter cube. Calculate the total surface area, that is total surface area. We have 6 faces. Just find the areas of all those 6 faces. So LW, twice of LW, WH, HL. Just put all these. I am considering, guys, this is L, this is W, this is H. So just L, put L is 20, W is 12, then W is 12, height is 5, and then height is 5, L is 20, then calculate, you will get 800. So guys, this is 800 centimeters square. Now surface of the cuboid is painted, fine, and the cost of the paint is this, fine. Find the cost to paint 1 centimeter square of the cuboid. Yeah, so the cost of paint used, okay, total dollar is this much, right? Total dollar is this much. So now cost of paint of 1 centimeter square. So guys, actually this surface area of the cuboid is painted, the cost of the paint used. So see, please try to understand. For 800 centimeters square, what is the cost, guys? $1.52. So guys, for 1 centimeter square, of course we have to divide 1.52 over 800, yes or no? Which I 1.52 over 800, which I did, but this much dollar we will get. That will be very small. So if we multiply by 100, then we can get cents. So that's why I multiply by 100 to get cents. So that is 0.19 cents. Okay, why have I multiplied by 100? To convert dollar into cents. Okay, a solid metal cylinder with radius x and height. Okay, so I can assume this type. So radius is x and the height is 9x over 2. That's fine. All metal is used to make a sphere with radius r. Okay, it is melted, guys, and converted in a sphere. Okay, so find r in terms of x. If you are melting one solid to another solid, then one thing remains same, that is volume or capacity. So volume of sphere is volume of cylinder. 4 over 3 pi r cube volume of sphere, and volume of cylinder is pi r square, right? We know that a volume of cylinder is, guys, pi r square h. So pi, radius is x, height is 9x over 2. Okay, so I think pi and pi we can cancel, and we can multiply 3, guys, here also and here also. 3 and 3 cancel. This is 4r cube, and this is 3 times 9 is 27, and here 3x square, 9x over 2 I have written. Okay, that's fine. Divide by 4, guys. 4 and 4 cancel. 27x cube over 8. Now 27x cube over 8, this can be, see, 27 is 3 cube, this is x cube, 8 is 2 cube, so we can write 3 times x over 2 whole cube. That's why this is 3x over 2 whole cube. Now what is happening? R cube is equal to 3x over 2 whole cube. So now r is 3x over 2 only, because we know that if a to the power m is equal to b to the power m, then a equal to b. So guys, r is 3x over 2. Okay, now, oh wow, this is a really good question. Now the diagram shows a cylinder of length 150 centimeter to the horizontal ground. The radius of the cylinder is 20 centimeter. That's fine. This is the radius, and the cylinder contains water to a depth of 5. This much water is given. This is the water. Okay, now calculate the volume of water in cylinder. That's fine. Volume, yeah, we need to find volume. So volume is always area of the cross section times length, right? So area of cross section, length is given, but area of the cross section, so we have to find area of the cross section. This area we need to find, right? This area we need to find. How can we get this area? Yes, guys, so let us understand how can we get this part, this area. So you know what we can do? We can get area of the sector, and then we can subtract this triangle. So first of all, we have to find this angle also. So guys, this is 20, this radius is 20, this height is given, this length is given or not given, yeah. This is 5, this length is 5. Okay, let me clear this. Yeah, so this is 5, but this is your radius total. So from here to here guys, it is radius. So here to here it is 20, it is 5, so it will be 15. Oh great. So for this triangle, right, for this triangle, this is 20, this is 20, this is 15. That's fine. This is isosceles triangle. So it is half, because if isosceles perpendicular will divide base. Now Pythagoras theorem will tell us AM is root of this square minus this square. Okay, are you confused? Okay, let me explain. AM square plus OM square is AO square, right? Now AM square is AO square minus OM square. Then apply root, you will get that. Okay, so OA is 20 and OM 15. So just put and calculate. You will get 5 root 7. AM and MB both are same. So 5 and 5 root 7, 5 root 7, 10 root 7. That's fine. AB. So right now I have this length AB. I have 08, 10. This, so for this triangle, we can get this angle theta. We can apply cosine rule over here. Okay, so cos theta equals 20 square minus 10 root 7 square over 2 times 20 times 20. Write this, which is 1 over 8, and then apply theta cos inverse 1 over 8, which is 82.82 degree. Okay, so okay, let me erase this. So guys, this I got 82.82 degree. Now we can find area of the sector also and area of the triangle also. So area of the shaded region of the circle, which is this part. So that is area of the sector, of course, minus area of the triangle. Area of the sector is theta over 360 pi r square, and area of the triangle is half ABOM, because this is right angle triangle, as you can check, right, base and height. Okay, so theta is you know that 80.82 over 360 times pi, radius is 20 minus half, base is 10 root 7 and height is 15. Just calculate everything guys. 90.66 centimeters square you can get. This is your area of the cross section. This area we got, I mean this area we got. Now we have area, we have length. We can get the answer now. Hence the area of cross section is this. Now volume is area of cross section times length. So area of cross section is this, length is this, just multiply, you will get 13,599 centimeter cube. But we have to give answer, I think, in liters. You can check that. This is a good question. How many marks? 7 marks. Yeah, it valid in liters guys. So we have to use this result. Yeah, we have to divide by 1000 to get the liters from centimeter cube. This one you have to remember, or you can get the formula sheet, then there you can find. But better to remember that. How to convert a centimeter cube to liters? Divide by 1000. Okay, so 13.5, so 13.6 liters.